Okay, let's do an unboxing of this exhaust fan, 10 inches, almost 1000 CFM, with the speed controller. So this is the one I bought. As you can see, it's almost $70. And the reason is because sometimes if you have, I'm going to install it in a business, and if the fan is too noisy, they're not going to be happy. So that is why I said, okay, we are going to need the speed controller so that we're not going to have any issues. In this case, I'm going to install it for this customer. He has a small closet, for the computers, DVR, network equipment and everything. So I was thinking maybe I can make a hole here and install it in this area, and we should be good. So this is the device that I bought. I'll show you anyway closely so that we can see. Very, very simple. So basically, once you install it, it's going to look something like that. So let's change the monitor and I'll see. So as you can see, this is I just took out of the box. So it comes with this thing that you see here, these flaps. So basically, when it works, the flaps will be open and then it will close. They will close by themselves. So it comes with a small spring here, so that way it will stay shut when it's not being used. And as you can see, it says external motor axial flow, 10 inches. I'm going to zoom in so that way you can see it a little bit better. And let's see the power consumption. Not that much, 74, 75 watts. So 110, and made in China as usual. There is nothing else, so I don't know even the brand or anything like that. But I'm going to show you a little bit closely so that you can see. Also, I'm going to turn it on so that way you can see this as well. So I'm going to zoom out so that way you can see. So it comes with this speed controller, as you can see. It comes with the screws, with the manual, and this. So I'll show you anyway how to install it. It's very easy. I'll make a video about that later when I am in the customer shortly. So basically, you put this against the wall, grab a marker, make the once you have the mark on the wall, all you have to do is you grab the multi-tool, cut the hole, put it in place, put one screw here, another screw in the other area, and we should be good. So now I'm going to turn it on so that way you see. That was maximum speed. Now in minimum speed. Minimum speed isn't, it's good. You're not going to hear any noise. So that is where you're going to get. So I'm going to show you, for instance, here. For instance, if you compare it with the exhaust fan, for the bathroom, you have almost 300. That is the regular one. Or if you get something for the kitchen, usually they are like 400. So this is almost 1000. Is plenty enough. If you don't know, how to calculate that, there is a calculator, CFM calculator. You put the length. So in this case, I think it's 5 foot by 7. The floor area, it says 35. The height 7 feet. Is going to be less. Surely it's going to be maybe 6. And it says the volume to 10. And plenty enough for the little room that I have to work in. So basically, that is all you're going to get, for instance, for now. So if you have any question, please let me know in the section below. And if you have any other question, let me know as well. And I have my playlist with different classes about different topics. So if you want to go and watch them, you can do that. And if you want to know when I upload the video, subscribe to my Telegram or WhatsApp channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.